Welcome back to Backup World. Today we'll learn about Fileset Backup. Fileset Backup is a file system backup, so where we can take file level backup and recovery. So here we need to install RBS agent and we have to register server into Rubrik and take file level backup. So we can assign multiple file set to single host with by splitting the files or like that. So one file set we can assign to multiple hosts. Also, we can assign to multiple hosts. So same for rules will be applied for all the hosts which we assign this file set. So what and why file set is file set we can file set backup we can take for physical servers. Physical servers we have to use file set backup, and if there is any RDM attached VM, we should use file set backup. Also, if there is any VM that should not take all the data to be backed up, we can take partial, like few drives only here to be backup, that or only few files to be backup. That time we can select we can use file set backup. And ports required for file set backup is 12800 and 12801, which is for both the Linux and Windows host. So port should be opened between Rubrik cluster and Windows or Linux host. So downloading Rubrik agent is, how we have to navigate this navigation path, log into RSC settings, data sources, Windows or Linux. We can select there and click on add. You can see here there is an option to download Rubrik agent. Then we can download Rubrik agent, and if it is the agent is cluster specific agent. Suppose if I have X cluster, so you should install the X cluster agent, and the same the host has to be added X cluster only. You should not add the host to Y cluster. So if you do so, it will throw an error with certificate related error. So below, these are the commands to run. Uh, I mean, to install RBS agent in Linux and AX servers. You can follow this, and we can add server same path, add host, and you can see one option to I already installed agent on the host. That option, if you select that, it will ask us to add the host. So once we add it, uh, we are able to take we are able to configure file set backup. So creating file set, so the navigation is data protection, inventory, all Windows, Linux file set. So if you go here, so we can see file set. Click on file set. There is an option to add file set. If you click on add file set, we can get this window. Here we have to give Rubrik cluster name and name of the file set. Once we give file set name, then we have to provide the includes and exclusions. So usually for includes, we will give star star. So if you give star star, it will take all the files. So excludes. Uh, so if there is any database backup already, database level backup already configured, then we can exclude those file .ldf, .mdf, .bak files from here. And if there is any file like suppose if we excluded .bak file, but I don't want to exclude few of the .bak file, so that time we can mention that name here, and it will not exclude that file. Once we create a file set, then we have to add the file set and SLA domain to workload. So the navigation is data protection, inventory all, Windows or Linux, uh, Windows file set or Linux file set. So once we come here, we can see the Windows source. I mean, before this, we can see the Windows source. So select that Windows host and click on Manage Protection. We can see on right top of the window. So click on the Manage window. There we will get an option to select file set which we created in previous step. So once we select this one and click on next, we can see the SLA domains. Select the SLA domain and click on assign. So once we assign SLA domain, then the backup will trigger as per schedule. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.